Hey guys, it's Ben, Kayla, Amna, and Caleb. Today we're going to be teaching you about nuclear power. Nuclear power is non-renewable because you cannot remine it or get the steam back. Power plants have two ways of conducting energy. One way nuclear power plants make energy is by using pressurized steam. Pressurized steam is made by boiling water. The pressurized steam is moved to a turbine which uses dual blades to draw in more pressurized air, which then generates electricity. Another way power plants generate electricity is by using combustion. Hydrocarbon bonds are broken using oxygen, which releases thermal energy that heat is directly used to turn a turbine or used to convert water to high pressurized steam. People store the waste in reactor sites, but 90% is stored in ponds with the balance of dry storage. Since nuclear waste is 90% uranium, it still contains usable fuel. It is placed in advanced fast reactors closing the fuel cycle. This will cause the production of more energy and less waste.
Nuclear power is being used mostly in France. In the U.S., the power plants are near a body of fresh water like this one because they need to be cooled down. The locations best for nuclear power is near a body of fresh water because they also need water to boil, which creates the steam for it. Now here's Kayla with the advantages.
There are many advantages to nuclear power. Here are some of them. For one, nuclear power does not emit as much greenhouse gases such as methane, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, and fluorinated gases. For that reason, it is often seen as a substitute for fossil fuel energy, so the consumption of fuels such as coal and oil are reduced. It is also thought of a solution for migrating climate change. Now on to Amna to tell the disadvantages.
There are disadvantages to everything, but here are a few disadvantages to using nuclear power. When we are done using nuclear power, we are left with radioactive waste. What do we do with it? We put it in barrels and we bury the waste in the ground in a concrete pool, with steel lining it and water filling the pool. The water acts as a natural barrier from the radioactivity. One more disadvantage is that there are nuclear accidents. One example is the Chernobyl disaster. It was the worst nuclear disaster ever recorded. Most of the plant is still standing today, but it and itself and the area around it is all abandoned. That is the major problem with using nuclear power.
That's all, folks!